What's up everyone, Jack from Half Chrome. Today, I got something different. This is a solar-powered security camera. Now, if you're new to the channel, we typically do, as you can see behind me, drone-related and also some camera-related reviews. Now, this is a camera, and although it looks like it can fly, it cannot. But it is pretty interesting, so I thought I'd give it a test, and I thought I'd share that with you. Now, this is about $109 off of Amazon, and you can actually, for another $50, have someone install it. It's actually pretty easy to do yourself. So I'm going to walk through the text and the specs of this camera, and then you can decide for yourself if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Okay, so there's some really interesting things about this camera. The first is this interesting looking solar panel. That's right, it will charge via the sun. And right now, I'm outside of Chicago. We've got short winter days, so that means there's not a whole lot of sun, and it is super cold. Last night it got into the single digits, and this thing held up, right? It does show low battery at night, but by the time the morning comes around, the sun pops up, it is good to go, and it is still working. Now, it records on either an SD card underneath here that you can put in up to 64 gigs, but it'll also record on the cloud. It'll store, I think, 20 videos of 8-second clips every day on the cloud for free, which is a pretty solid deal. Now, the camera here, it does have some sensors on the front here, and you will be able to get night vision, so if it's dark outside, you can see that as well. The app is pretty simple and easy to use, and I'll kind of walk you through that here in a second. Now, before I get too much into the video and things like that, let's take a look at what you get inside the box. Alright, so let's take a look and see what you get inside the box of the Soliom S70 solar-powered security cam. Alright, so obviously you have the cam here. Yes, I've taken this out of the box. I put it back in there so you guys could see basically how it was arranged. But yeah, we've got this funky looking camera. But these are your solar panels. Inside the box, not a whole lot going on in here. We've got your stand, which you can of course angle. We have some directions which are pretty darn solid actually. I had no problems getting mine connected. We got a USB micro to charge it, screwdriver, some screws and anchors, some information. We've got some information on Soliom. We've got a security camera sticker, and then a reset pin here. Packing sticker. There's a couple of tiny screws, and that's it.
All right, so let's take a look at the app itself. Pretty basic. You've got the video in the middle. On the left, you got a button to take a picture. In the middle, that microphone, if you push that, you can talk to your subjects. On the right, you have that video camera where you can record what you're watching, and that'll record on the cloud, which is really nice. Free cloud storage, 20 videos. Now, if you hit that little arrow button, you saw it enlarged it there for you. Let's take a look. That's the albums. You can see what you've recorded. Cloud video is if it's recording things automatically for you, if you set it to do that. And then over here we have the settings. Just kind of looking at the settings. You know, is it SD card or cloud video? How do you have it oriented? What kind of environment are you recording in? You can kind of change that. The detection is how sensitive is it going to be? How long is that going to be active? Frequency, time mode. All of that stuff is here for you that you can kind of change if you want. You can leave the LEDs off so people don't know it's recording. That's kind of up to you. Lots of different options here that you can kind of take advantage of. That cruise button just kind of zooms in. I didn't find that useful. Now, this is actually what the video looks like, so you can kind of see the clarity. This is me indoors. My dog watching TV, just kind of walking around so you can kind of see in a decent lit indoor environment what it would look like. Of course, I did keep it outside, but I thought I'd bring it inside so I could test it indoors as well. Now let's take a look at what the outdoor video looks like. This is, of course, the night vision, which is, of course, pretty clear. The camera, or I'm sorry, the microphone, when you're talking to people, it kind of sounds garbled like you're a robot, but the playback sounds really good. So, decent little camera. What do you think?
So if you're looking for a security camera that isn't too expensive, this is a decent little option. No, it isn't as nice as some of the others out there. I do have a Ring doorbell, and that one certainly has a more robust interface, as well as other items that kind of connect to it. But this is a nice, easy, inexpensive option. It was pretty simple to set up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Good luck. Have a great day.